It was total devastation for my team, for the community.
But I have never before experienced the destruction of Hurricane Laura.
I lost my home in Laura, and whatever Laura didn't finish, Delta did.
This is the area we had the Wi-Fi hotspot trailer set up for customers during Hurricane Laura and also during Hurricane Delta. They were able to come in and use the Wi-Fi hotspot to get on the internet. The parking lot was packed like this every morning around 7 o'clock.
I've helped some other neighbors around my mom's and mine when they needed supplies, food, water, whatever. I would go get it in Houston if I was in there visiting.
I was especially glad to see that Suddenlink had donated $50,000 to the Community Foundation of Southwest Louisiana.
I worked with multiple groups throughout the company to prioritize locations for the schools and identify hotspots to supply internet for students and staff.
We are Lake Charles strong, and Lake Charles will come back.
That our technicians are some of the best in the business and are working diligently to get all services restored.
That's what we are in Lake Charles. That's how I was raised, and we all stick together. This is my town, and this is my family.